Can you use PayPal without a bank account? So let me tell you guys, you don't need a bank account to open a PayPal account or receive money. However, without one, you can't withdraw funds to cash or proactively add money. You can spend a received balance online or use a credit or debit card as a substitute. While a bank isn't mandatory for basic functions, having one is highly useful. You only need an email address and phone number to open an account and accept payments. Now, to buy items, you must link a bank account or a credit or debit card. You need a linked bank account to transfer money out of PayPal into local cash. Now, if you don't have a traditional bank, you can apply for a PayPal cash card to access a balance at ATMs and stores. Now, if you'd like to use PayPal without a bank account by relying on a payment card or your PayPal balance PayPal official site, what you can do is download the app first, then sign up. Then create an account using your email and phone number. Now, when prompted to link a bank, choose to skip. Then go to the wallet tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap add credit card. Then select debit and credit cards. Then enter the details. Then spend money that others have sent to your PayPal account, or select PayPal at checkout to pay via your card or balance. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.